Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today we'll talk about EIZO FlexScan EV4340X 4K IPS monitor. So friend, EIZO has announced large screen diagonal of 42.5 inch and the EIZO FlexScan EV4340X is WQHD display with a 4K resolution up to 3820 into 2160 pixel resolution and is perfectly into the intended installation with modern connectivity. In addition to HDMI input and DisplayPort connection, the monitor offers full USB-C docking functionality, including DisplayPort Alt Mode and transmission of video, audio, and USB data signal, and power supply up to 94 watt. And the FlexScan EV4340X is therefore an ideal match for notebook, which always come with fewer connections from the factory and even have a stable Ethernet connection thanks to the monitor's integrated LAN port. And the monitor also master operation with multiple computer or image source with ACE. The integrated KVM switch allows, for example, the use of keyboard and mouse combined with two computers, and thanks to the picture-in-picture function, the monitor can display up to 4 video signals side by side, and the switch on the front make it easy to switch between 12 position layout, and the picture-in-picture function for two signal source allow efficient screen sharing for presentation and meeting. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.